Hello and welcome to another episode of 5-Point Digital Health by HI Rapid Lab Public Health Foundation of India. Please read the disclaimer carefully and then watch the video. We have designed and developed Skybridge, a heavy payload, long-range drone paired to a custom-designed modular temperature-controlled box platform that can safely and reliably deliver multiple medical payloads simultaneously. We believe Skybridge can connect rural and remote hard-to-reach communities in ecologically sensitive, hilly, forest or river areas that are not reachable or usually cut off from the existing poor road connections for several months in a year due to heavy rains, landslides and very inclement weather like fog and snow. These rural and remote communities need connectivity to the mainland for two reasons. One, they want to procure essential products, life-saving medicines from mainland, and two, they want to sell their valuable produce to the markets of the mainland, and this is a two-way sustainable need. The present model of connectivity is laying all-weather roads and running fossil fuel burning vehicles which serve the purpose of connectivity but at a very high ecological, cultural cost of opening up too much for questionable gains beyond addressing the essential needs. Public Health Foundation of India designed and developed Skybridge can be the just right ecologically safe connecting platform powered by remote microgrid renewable energy from solar, wind or wave sources. On one side, Skybridge delivers multiple medical payloads regularly and reliably or on request from the mainland to remote areas. Then after delivery, charges up on energy using locally generated power, and on the reverse trip transports high-value agriculture, horticulture, aquaculture, processed food products or unique geographically indexed products to be safely delivered to the mainland. We believe Skybridge can be the fastest, safest transport model and the most reliable, carbon-neutral, ecologically sensitive model to improve the healthcare and livelihood of these rural and remote communities. According to a recent report by the World Bank, almost 40% of the world's population live in rural and remote areas. Hence, Skybridge can be a clean energy-driven, ecologically positive, health and economic lifeline to almost 3 to 4 billion people across the world. This video script will be made available on website www.hirapidlab.com with due references. Please visit them for further information. Thank you for watching this episode.